Well, good morning. Special guest joining me this morning. We're at Cherry Creek Fishing Access Site just outside of Bozeman. Travis Horton from Gallatin County Health Department. You've got a really amazing opportunity coming up here for, well, just about any of us. The information that's going to be presented at this open house at the fairgrounds, really for anybody who lives in the county, from throwing your garbage at the landfill to potentially building a house. Let's talk about some of the stuff that's going to be going on here, Travis.
Absolutely, yeah. Chet, it's certainly a great opportunity for the community to come out and interact with the local government. That includes, of course, the county, many county entities, as well as the city of Bozeman, to be there to talk about their drought management and water conservation programs. And so in terms of the county, we'll have the environmental health staff there. So if folks are interested in starting a business, we can advise folks on what licenses are required. In terms of if you have a question on replacing your septic tank, or something to do with a subdivision review, our staff will be there to help answer those questions as well. Could be as simple as you need to learn how to maintain your septic system. We'll have the zoning, planning, and floodplain district there to talk about all those factors, and in particular involving land development. County code compliance will be there. We'll have the weed district, the landfill, as you mentioned. The landfill will be there for any questions related to disposal of waste, including hazardous wastes.
This is one of those things that there's so much of this information involves all of us. If you live here for any length of time, it potentially you'd have questions about all of those areas. But bringing everybody together for the first time, this is kind of the first time this has ever been done, isn't it?
To my knowledge, it is, and it's going to be a nice, large building with tables set up that folks can walk around, and there'll be signs to say, "Come ask questions about environmental health concerns." It might involve harmful algal blooms in the summer, water quality. The local water quality district will also be there to help answer questions and teach you how you can get your well tested to see what the water quality of your well is. Not to mention recreational swimming waters and what concerns there may be with regard to recreating in some of those area waters and coliforms and different things that might affect them. So it's just a great opportunity for the community to be able to come out, ask questions of the local government, and learn about everything to do from environmental health, food safety, water, and land management.
I would think this would be a great resource if you just want some general knowledge as well. I know that, we're standing in this beautiful riparian area that's slowly being surrounded by development and things like that. And if you're concerned about how that works, I would think this would be a great place to get some information about how Gallatin County and the city of Bozeman and all those entities are looking to take care of that as much as we want you to.
Absolutely. Again, those folks will be there that are involved in all those processes, and they can answer whatever questions. They can inform the public in general about the rules.
So give me the nuts and bolts. When, where, how do I become involved in this?
This is going to occur on April 5th, which is a Wednesday, from 5 to 7 p.m. at the fairgrounds and exhibit building number 1. And folks will be there ready. We'll have people sort of directing the public, which, if they have a specific question, they'll be walk over to this table and ask those folks. We'll even have radon kits available for sale. So
that's fantastic. Again, you don't have to make a reservation, just show up and ask questions. It's a great opportunity coming up here on the 5th of April to get some more information and get all the entities together in one place for the first time. Travis, thank you very much.
Thank you, Chet.
We're going to take a quick break. You're watching Montana This Morning.